Welcome to Sylmar, California, approximately 25 miles northwest of Los Angeles in the Golden San Fernando Valley. In December of 2016, the Union Pacific Saugus Local was working the Metropolitan Water District Jensen Water Treatment Plant. At the time, UP added HL6X 1032, a former EMD GP38-2 locomotive to its fleet to help with switching duties. Commissioned in 1971, is named for Joseph Jensen, Metropolitan's longest-serving board chair from 1949 to 1974. The plant has a capacity for 750 million gallons per day and is the largest such facility west of the Mississippi River. Across the street is the Los Angeles Aqueduct, completed in 1913 to bring fresh water from Central California to Los Angeles. And the train backs across San Fernando Road into the NWD plant. Also, the caboose had been freshly repainted, and its Renegade carried the original Southern Pacific paint scheme and a small SP logo. For you Athearn Blue Box guys, yes, on the caboose is the classic frog eye marker lights and the rooftop flying saucer ground plane antenna. Interestingly enough, the second UP locomotive, 1469, was originally a cotton belt GP40-2 and still carries its distinctive headlight brackets on the end of its long hood. Metrolink, with a veritable EMD F59PH, heads northbound towards Santa Clarita. At the time, the railroad was still using mechanical bells at the crossing bucks. "1032 backs up onto the second spur. This takes it over a short bridge spanning water from both the LA Aqueduct Channel and the LADWP Foothill power plant leading to nearby Van Norman Reservoir. With smoke coming out of the smoke jack on the caboose, I wonder if the crew has a fire on the stove trying to keep warm. After all its moves are complete, the engine runs around its train and shoves back, caboose first, across San Fernando Road. Once all the switching is complete, the train reverses direction and heads back to Los Angeles. Please check out the Notch 9 channel for more videos and content exactly like this.